Hey, welcome back. So for today, I'm gonna try to transfer um, the Texas flag onto a piece of rock. Um, it may not work very well. I haven't done it, but kind of curious to see if it'll work. There's a whole bunch of little crevices and things like that, so the colors are not gonna transfer fully, or the imprint. But even if it's just most of it, I think it'll probably look pretty cool. Let's see if it'll work. And this is just a standard white piece of paper. The imprint is from a laser printer, which tends to work much better than the ink cartridge ones. So anyways, what I'm gonna do is use some Mod Podge. I have a brush ready, and let's see what happens. So let's get started. And then with this, we're just gonna let it sit for overnight, and then we'll just start peeling it off with water. You soak it with water and then rub it off. So let's see how it goes. Obviously the white part is not going to transfer over. Didn't even need to put glue there. I thought about adding some kind of little outline to it just to distinguish the white part of the flag, but that's fine. All right. I don't think it's gonna transfer all the way, again, just because of all the little crevices on the rock. But even if we get some, I think it'll look pretty cool. All right, so just press down on it. You start getting like little bubbles, little wrinkles. It's gonna be a little bit harder to try to straighten it out on the rock, but just like I said, just press as best as possible. It's gonna be interesting how it looks when we start taking the piece of paper out tomorrow. All right, so that should be good. We'll come back tomorrow and start rubbing it off and see how it looks. All right, so it's been quite a few days since I've let it sit. I went ahead and left it alone for the weekend, and so it's Monday. Let's see what we have. I'm curious to see if any of it transferred over. So here we go. Let's just wet it. Just bring it closer to the camera. All right, and let's just let it saturate. Looks like it still needs some more water. I ended up bringing a cup here, so I'm just going to pour some gently. It looks like it did transfer, so that's pretty cool. Obviously, we didn't, it doesn't transfer white, so top part of this of the flag. You know, it's not going to be anything in there. I figured some of the colors would come off, which I'm fine with. Like I mentioned before, we can make the flag a little more rugged, so when colors come off, it makes it seem like it's part of the imprint. But overall, it's still pretty cool. The other thing I'm gonna do next time is add a little outline here. So, or what I can do is paint it white, especially for this one. But it did work. It did transfer over, so that's really good. Let me just get some of the paper that's up here without taking the red or blue ink out. And what I'm gonna do is add a glaze to it so it seals it in. But it's pretty exciting that it did work. And that's definitely some more ideas that I have, you know, that for you guys, for me, to transfer artwork or whatever it may be, photos, digital art, anything like that. It would be pretty cool. So I'll create another video with some other artwork, some of my paintings that I have on print, and see how that goes. All right, so please like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and also check out some of the other videos. I added quite a few of them today, and I still have some of my paintings that I've done from a couple of years ago. I'm still new at this, so I really don't have many subscribers, or, you know, so please support. And like I said, I'm going to continue to create different videos and stuff, tutorials and things like that. All right, thanks guys. Bye-bye.